you're only halfway.
Car's coming. Oh yeah, there you You only got 4 minutes left, Tina. Car this way. She'd rather wet herself than miss this. Come on.
Nobody likes you anymore. Good, that means they're a Packer fan. I lied.
What was that?
I don't know.
This is the best 15 minutes of my entire life.
I wouldn't have missed this.
Alright, go Steelers!
Ah, no.
She's on the car.
That was Monty.
I love it.
Monty's a friend of mine on Facebook, so we're good.
Yeah, he purposely went down this way.
Right,
He
Tina?
goes down that road.
Hey, Tina, whose idea was it for this bet?
Yours.
No, it was yours. She had to think about that. It backfired on her. She thought for sure I'd be standing out here. Come on, get ready.
That's why we keep the true Packer fans over
There's
on
4
this
cars
side.
coming this way. Come on, get this sign up.
Mom, Dad, do a little jig. Hey, Mom, you can dance any other time. Start dancing now. No celebration. Neither did you sitting in the kitchen.
Some to your other side, too. Look at the group of cars.
Everybody's calling their friends on their cell phones. Drive past.
Oh, you still got time.
2 minutes left. Come on, here's car.
Come on, Mom, dance for these last 2 minutes.
Yeah, come on, dance it up, show it up. Give it back.
Do it like you mean it, Mom. Do it like you mean it, or I'm hitting you with a snowball.
Yeah, how many people I knew that said, "Oh, I can't make it, but I would love to be there."
They'll be here.
Come on, they'll be here. They'll be on the internet. Tina.
Let's see if I can link this. Like,
it up. Jesus, man. Never betting against a day in my life.
It's more funny or him.
Not even going to the casino. This is shit. This is pure shit.
Your last minute, make it good.
Come on, Bob, make this one good.
Be proud.
Make this one worse, you standing out.
I'm crying.
Go Steelers!
No, Tina. You're going to spend an extra 15 minutes.
Yeah, you gotta spend the next extra 15 minutes for that.
Extra 15 minutes next time you say that.
All right, my 2 minutes is up. I'm freezing.